The internet is a treasure chest waiting to be explored, but only for the savvy seekers. Discover how to unravel hidden truths about websites before revealing your personal information. Perform a whois lookup to find who owns a site and their contact details. Have you ever wondered what's being said about you online? Let's unearth your digital footprint. Starts with a Google search of your name and observe what information pops up in return. Check your credit score for major issues to safeguard your financial report effortlessly. Think you know your neighbors. You can often find all about them with simple online tools. Explore your country accessory site to fetch details about your neighbors and their properties. Photos tell histories. Use Time Eyes and TinEye to uncover where your images appear online. Dive into nostalgia by revisiting older street view photos on Google Maps to reflect on changes.